read verse 8 from chapter 30 of 10th canto of Bhagavatam. Malat yadarshi vakachin amalike jatiyutike pritim vo janayan yata kara sparshena madhava. Kara sparshena madhav. Translation: the gopis are madly and frantically searching for Krishna. They're coming to their wits' end, going from tree to tree and flower to flower and tulsi. And it's interesting because first they went to the gopis went to the leaders of the trees. The leaders of the trees are the Brahma tree, the Vishnu tree, Ashwat, and the Brahma tree, Plaksha, and the Shiva tree, Nyagroda, which is the banyan. And then after that, they went to the first level trees, the masters and rulers of the forest, who were appearing as Ashwat, Plaksha, and Nyagroda. Then they went to the second string, the second class of trees, the Punaga, the very glorious and grand trees also, Punaga, Shok, Naga, Champak. And then they said, okay, we're not having any luck with the trees. They're all male. They're all puffed up. They're proud. So now let's go to the plants and flowers. So who is the ruler of all the plants and flowers? Tulsi Maharani ki jai.